Welcome to Blakban software. Um, in this video, I will show you how to define assessment items in the system. We will look at defining score limits for each subject in the current term, and then scheduling your assessment breakup for each subject, and entering students' assessment marks into the system. Okay, let's proceed. To define score limits for each subject, um, this is the screen. So on this panel, where it says score limit setting, double click on it. Right. Right now, we haven't got any items in that list, so we will add that. Click add, which would enable the fields. And then these are filter options. Would you select 1 to 5? Upper primary should show you a 6 to 8 there, and high school from grades 9 to 12. So because I've entered grade 7 students into the system, I will use select grade 7. So I choose the option, so I'll select 7 here, grade 7, and then these are the subjects that are started by grade 7. So I'll define the score limits. So maximum score that can be collected in a term is, let's say, 100. So this is for term 1, right? I'll just save that. Do the same for the others. Just select grade, language. Note that once you have saved the record, it will not be shown in this list. So we have saved arts, so it won't be shown here. So I'll just save this. All right, next. 7. Mar. Put all of this to 100. Add. Let's do the same for all the courses, subjects. All right, that's done. In the event where if you have made a mistake in the assessment total, what you would do is select a respective row here, and let's say agriculture should be 120. I'll just click modify and change this to 120 and then just update. So I should get 120 there. All right, that's for setting a score limit for each subject for grade 7. You can do that for grade 6, grade 5, for each grade. So if you click find, you should see a list of those there. All right, let's click close. I'll close this. And then the next is to, once I've done that, I'll schedule my assessment items, such as test, assignment, projects, homework, and all that. So that's all of the transactions. So this is the icon. So when you click on it, it should give you the screen for doing that. So I'll just double click on here, or you can click on this transaction and then assessment trade sections there. Alright, I'll just click here. Alright, this is where you schedule your assessment for each subject. Alright, this is the same thing. Click add, but before that, look at the tabs here. You have assessment schedule. This is for mark registry. When you click on it, it should give you this screen. This is for progressive reports, and then finally the report card. So that's the screen. So right now we haven't entered student result yet, so the term, grade, class will not be shown here. So we'll start off with the assessment schedule. We'll just click add, select the grade 7, class A, subject code arts, assessment type test 1, and then what date, specify the date which the test was given. Maybe I'll say probably Thursday 23rd, and marks was out of 50. So just click save. Yes, right, that's 50 out of 120 collected. I'll also schedule another one, which is maybe a project. So same thing, select that, arts, that's assessment number 2. So I'll say project, so that would be project 1. All right, so specify the date, maybe 4th, and then I'll put a 70. If I put 75, then it shouldn't allow me. It says you have exceeded the score limit, so by 5 marks. So I'll set to 50, which the total should give us 120. Yes, that's it. So 120 marks collected. All right. So that's we're scheduling this now. We will after marking the student test and the project, we should enter the results into the system. So that's the next tab. That's right next to it. Click on mark registry. Same thing, click on add button, select the grade, class code A, now course code arts, okay, assessment date there, which would give us assessment number 1. So now we should see a list of students there, student IDs, names. So I'll select one of these, and then I'll give a 40. So just click save. Yes. On this side, you can see number of students signed up, 1 out of 50, and then the statistics there, and a graph. I'll just tick this auto load, which means all this in the list will be automatically loaded. So maybe this student scored 45. Okay, this student scored maybe 30. This student scored 49. This student scored 48, 38. Right, that's done. All right, so we have now entered marks for assessment number 1, which is test 1, right? We'll do the same for project. Instead, we'll select the other date. Okay. Maybe this student scored 60. This student scored 50. This student scored 69. This student scored 49. This student scored 70. All right. So so when you click Find, you should see two items there. Assessment number 1 and number 2. If I select this, now I can preview the results here. Preview button there. I should be able to see the report. Right. That's it. So you have the student ID there, first name, last name, marks, code, and the out of. And then you have the statistics at the bottom. Lowest 30, highest 49, average 40, mean 40, median mode, median 40, mode 30, and standard deviation 7.23. Right? Also on the side, you can see a graph there. If you double click on it, it should show you the visual representation of the results. Number of students and the marks scored. So one student scored 30, one student scored 38, one student scored 40, one student scored 45, and one student scored 49 for ATS test 1. Okay. All right. Now um, let's check the other one. Just click Find. You can do the same. Just preview. Right. So this is the preview. All right. In the event if you've made a mistake, what you would do is select a student from the data grid. So let's say this student also scored 69, but we put 49. So just modify and then change the marks code to 69. And then we just update. So now we should get 69 for both this one and this one. All right. So in the next video, we will look at the progressive results. Thank you for watching.